Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to save video from CapCut to your gallery or camera roll if you're using iPhone. So first of all, just go ahead to any project that you did inside the CapCut and just go ahead and click on it. And after you click on it, did your editing and all this stuff, you're gonna see an upload kind of a button at the top right corner, and you're gonna see next to it like a quality. Okay, so you can reduce or increase the quality of your video in the frame rate and the code rate. Okay, and after you finish doing all that, just go ahead and click the upload kind of a thing next to it, and you will be able to export the video to your gallery or your camera roll. You're gonna wait up and don't do any action on your phone. Don't close your phone or don't lock your screen, and don't go outside the CapCut. Just wait it out until the export in are finished. So after you wait for a few moments right here, and I'm gonna get back to you. And after it's finished, you're gonna see like ready to share. If you want to share it to TikTok, just go ahead right here. If you don't, just go ahead and hit done, and you will see your homepage of CapCut. Just go back to your screen, go ahead to the photos or your gallery, and just you will see it uploaded right here. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.